Here we come to another set of Kone MonoSpace traction lifts at Indooroopilly shopping centre. Oh wow, like that one's going down. Which one will it be? I think it'll be this one. Oh. Are you going up?
Yep.
Beautiful. It'll be that's lift 28. What is this one? Lift 27. They're both on one. Oh, that one's going up now. Lift 28 is going up. And here's lift 27.
Going up.
So you go 3, I'll go 1. Is that the Audi?
Level 1.
I think so.
Going up.
Level 1's Audi.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a great day. Which one are you going to?
3.
I'm going up to 5.
Level 3. Going up.
Are you going up?
Level 4.
This one was installed in 2012.
Going up.
Are you going up? These are beautiful lifts. Alright, we'll now do a cab view.
Level 5.
This is lift number 27.
Going down.
Alright, we'll go to level 1 and hop out. Lift number 27, Indooroopilly Shopping Centre, 322 Mog Road, Indooroopilly. Equipment number
Level 4.
126746. Maximum load 2,000 kilograms, 29 persons.
Going down.
Which one are you going to?
Level 3.
Actually, we'll hop out of 3.
Going down.
And that's it.